Guys, hi, it's Jeannie, your selfie girl, and today I'm going to share with you guys some really cool stuff that I found for teeth. As you see, my teeth are starting to really look white. Watch. Okay, and one of these products only costs like $12, and I bought the product on Temu, T-E-M-U, and you can just use your basic credit card so it's safe and order on Temu. And this is what I got. It's called 7 Days Tooth Powder. And it actually only has baking soda, peppermint, and then it has, it's a baking soda, peppermint, and it will make your teeth white in 7 days. So I ordered it to try it, and I looked it over really good, and you basically just get your mouth nice and wet inside, and then you rinse it, or you put a little on your toothbrush and you brush your teeth with it. And it's called 7 days because it's supposed to whiten in 7 days. And the major ingredient is baking powder and peppermint that they've turned into powder. And I think they also use some spearmint too. Peppermint, spearmint, and almond oil are like the holy grail for teeth. They can even kill bacteria. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys the inside of it. Hold on one second. Here we go. Teeth are very important to me. See how it looks just like a little powder? And you just wet your toothbrush and you put a little bit on it. And after you're done brushing your teeth, you'll see your teeth begin to fizz up, like fizz, like it's cleaning, like a fizzy formula, all of your teeth. It's really pretty cool. And so I actually do like it. And I think I only paid $10 or $13 for it. And you can get it on Temu. It says it's by Bubchin. And it's actually made in a little province, of course, in China. And I think I actually was there years ago when I was helping them with their education programs. So I recommend that. The other product I'm recommending to whiten and clean your teeth is OraMD. This is tooth oil. And it has spearmint, peppermint, and almond oil. And it's a natural way to clean your teeth. And you just put 3 drops in your mouth and you swish with warm water with the drops, and it's really amazing. Okay, and the product is 100% botanical, and these essential oils of sweet almond kernel, spearmint leaf, and peppermint leaf are great. They have their phone number on it that you can call, and you can only buy it online. Now, my mom is over 90 years old, and I bought some for her, and she said it was a little bit powerful, she thought. But you can even put a few drops, even 1 or 2 drops on your toothbrush. And if this little OraMD kills all the germs and gives you fresh breath and helps rebuild your gums, why wouldn't you use the natural product? I actually grow peppermint like that leaf in my backyard, and I just pull a few leaves off, just like I pulled that flower off my luau tree. And I just go and I chew it, and it cleans my teeth. So check it out, guys. You won't be sorry. These 2 products, the tooth powder from Temu and OraMD that you order online. And it's from trusted products. So all you have to do is put OraMD in your Google search and it will come up. And they have specials where you can buy 3 bottles for like $56 or something. I only get 1 bottle at a time because it lasts about 3 months. And it's just this liquid in here. You can see I only have a little bit left. I'm ready to order more. I use it every day. And if my teeth ever hurt, I immediately use the tooth oil. So check it out. This is your selfie girl. And if you want these white teeth, try the Temu tooth powder. I'm not big on ordering from China at all, but if it really cleans your teeth and makes them white and it's easy to use, I want to try it. Please subscribe to my video. I will put the names of these in the title, these 2 products, and you can order them. And I hope you have nice white teeth and everything's clean and fresh in your mouth. Bye.